What's going on, everyone? Today we have to talk about ZCASH because, as you can see, we have had a recovery here in ZCASH. It has went all the way down from $506 all the way up to $590, $599, almost touching $600, but now it's back to $567. So yeah, it's been doing a lot of volume. A lot of money has been flowing through ZCASH, but let's talk about where I think ZCASH might be inside of the near future. So anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's go over it. So as you can see here with ZCASH, we are coming back from a rebound here because, as you can see here, we got rejected at the top. And it looks like a triple top, right? Like a triple top. We literally touched it 3 times. So that was actually crazy. I was hoping this could actually be a cup and handle. So like this being the cup, this being the handle, and then going up here. So we had like a symmetrical triangle here, but that ended up not being a cup and handle. The symmetrical triangle took over and it dumped from there. But good news, we are still trading within a bullish expanding triangle. So that's still a bullish signal. It's still bullish. And not only that, a bunch of different wallets and decentralized exchanges have been implementing ZCASH and adding the option to have ZCASH on their platform. So you can actually see a lot of them doing this. Leodex here, Atomic Wallet is doing it. And yeah, just a bunch of different wallets are getting ZCASH on there. Thor Wallet. So yeah, a lot of different integrations with a lot of different wallets. So it's pretty big. And some people have been talking about how ZCASH could take over Bitcoin. Over here it says Fidelity predicts that ZCASH will be worth 100K per coin by 2028. And as you can see here, a lot of people seem to think that it's going to take over Bitcoin. Vanik CEO warns Bitcoin may lose ground as OG investors shift toward privacy-focused ZCASH. All I gotta say is, if ZCASH outpaces Bitcoin and becomes worth more than Bitcoin, then crypto truly is a Ponzi. Like if any coin is ever worth more than Bitcoin, crypto is a Ponzi. We have to accept it and just move on and just stick with stocks. If it really is true, if ZCASH really takes over, this is all a Ponzi. But anyways, the largest exchange in China listing ZCASH tomorrow. I don't know how true that is, but that might be a lie. A lot of people post lies like that, so definitely be careful. But anyways, like I was saying, a lot of people are really like diehard with ZCASH right now. But my thing is, I have a certain system I go by. It's up over 1,000% in the last year. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. Now it might keep going. It might keep running. True. But yeah, I just don't want to touch it for myself. So, but I will do these videos for you guys to help you guys see what's coming next here inside ZCASH, because it is still in a bullish expanding triangle. Like regardless of what you want to say, it's still inside of a bullish pattern here. And then we also have a symmetrical triangle, as you can see here. Oh, I just now got rid of that. But yeah, we also have a symmetrical triangle building up here as well. Well, symmetrical triangles aren't really that accurate. As you can see, the last one pretty much failed. But this one, the current one that we're in, is also what we call a bullish symmetrical triangle because it came into it from an uptrend. So that's technically called a bullish symmetrical triangle. So at the end of this symmetrical triangle up here, we should be able to break out to the upside, hopefully. These only have a 54% win rate, so symmetrical triangles are very unreliable, but we're still also in a bullish expanding triangle as well. So either way, still in a bullish pattern. Now we also have the % trend exhaustion here to help us kind of navigate things. The blue line is the long-term trend. The white line is the short-term. Notice how the long-term trend is curving down and the short-term trend is kind of starting to curve downwards as well. Could indicate that we have another drop coming up inside of ZCASH. It could indicate that, or it could indicate the start of another pump, because the MACD is showing that the selling pressure has just now stopped and now buying pressure is coming back in. But what if it's a little bit of buying pressure, like how it was here, like how it was here, and all the other ones back there? So it's kind of hard to tell what is happening right now. So that's all I got for that for the 4 hour. Now we can look at the daily chart as well, since it's not as short term. Now the daily chart kind of shows the percent R trend exhaustion curving back upwards, almost like it wants to come back up, right? So if this happens, then we could see that pump to the top of the symmetrical triangle, and we actually might have enough momentum to break past it. But we'll have to see here. But when you look at the MACD, it's still selling off. We still have a lot of selling pressure, regardless of anything. And then the weekly chart, obviously, we're just still going to be overbought on the weekly chart. So not much to really show there, just a bunch of overbuying. So anyways, I believe that ZCASH could continue if people can keep the hype going. But that's really the only thing that ZCASH is going off right now is hype. You can see the hype starts to slow down and things just start to turn sideways here. But when the hype starts to speed back up, then the price action might go back up. So it's all about hype with ZCASH right now. So we'll see if it breaks past this. I'll keep you guys updated. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None is financial advice. Go ahead and hit the like button, all that good stuff. Hit the like button, subscribe, everything. As always, I'll be back with another video.